Do you want to learn how to use programmatic SEO to boost your website traffic and rankings for a specific niche? Imagine being able to automate your SEO tasks and watch your website soar to the top of search results pages. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website called golfnearby.net, where users can find golf courses in the US, with lots of data around each course. And we're going to do it using programmatic SEO. So without further ado, let's go to my computer and get started.
Okay, welcome to video 1 in this WordPress programmatic SEO case study. This video is just to introduce the project, what we're going to be working on. So I've bought a database of golf courses in the US. So there's 16,000, nearly 17,000 golf courses in over 8,000 cities, and the data, there's a lot of data. So there's a lot of information here that we can use to build a really good programmatic SEO website. And I imported it to the database here just so we can quickly see some of the fields that we have. So we have contact information, we have classification, whether it's private, public, whether it's a resort, the year it was built, all kinds of information here that we can use to build some really interesting templates that will provide value to people who are looking for golf courses. Maybe you're visiting the US or you're visiting out of state and you want to find what the dress code is for a specific golf course or whatever, and obviously we can incorporate the fees and stuff. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to do it with WordPress. I tend to prefer using code just because it's easier to manipulate some of these things. Like we could make these fees, for example, numbers, and then with code you can work things out. You can display them in different ways. You can calculate, like if you were booking a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you could work out what the cost would be over those 3 days. So you could do different things like trip calculators and stuff like that. So it's a bit more basic if you're using no code, but that's not to say we can't build out some really good templates. So there's another table here as well, which has information about the ratings of these courses. Some of these don't have any information. So the course ID here links to the course ID here. So what we're going to do first is look at some keyword research to see what kind of topics we could be ranking for. That gives us a good idea then of what to take into the templates when we import these into WordPress. And we'll also have a quick look at the how we can clean up this data source and maybe merge some of this stuff into one CSV that we can then import to WordPress and do some interesting things with in the template. So yeah, this is just a quick introduction. We're going to be building this golf website. I have a domain already, which I'll share as we go through the course.
In the next video, we're going to start using programmatic SEO to optimize our website for relevant keywords. We're going to learn how to create targeted landing pages, automate keyword research, and more. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you have any questions about programmatic SEO or the golfnearby.net project, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more programmatic SEO tutorials, free AI SEO tips, and to follow along with the golfnearby.net project. And hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.